TFC engkha hati khainani tei dal bidal nangmani jamung manthokmani kahamni kuma. Tabukno TFC app download khaidi. Tangai hinmale oro grocery mani paithani 50% jora khaiklai muri jagai tongo. Hati engnani bagibo te mungsa wansukna nangya. Chicken biryani chana hamjangnai rokni bagai tebo koktuma kaham. TFC o tabuk chicken biryani paikhe 40% khaiklai jak mannai. Kothok manai klai khe asak manthogui tongkha norokni yakphao. Haike tamungui lernai tabukno mobile nadi Google Play Store te App Store ni TFC app download khaidi. Tei nogo achuk tutuino klai sake hati order risidi.
ठीक है ना?
ठीक है।
उसका हॉस्पिटल का नाम लिखो। और ट्रीटमेंट ठीक नहीं हो रहा क्यों? ये जरूरी है हमको जानने का। यहाँ अच्छा हो गया ना, ये बन गया तो what class? Very good. And they teach you well. What school? What
Ambassa English Medium Model School.
teachers come?
All the teachers are they never come because some teachers they came but they cannot speak English properly. Teachers.
They don't know, but is the teacher, other teachers coming regularly to the school?
Some teachers are coming but some of them they are not coming.
Class 10 job.
Class 10?
Up to class 10 they are coming regularly. But 11, 12 there is no teacher.
The school is till how much? 11th and 12th?
12.
12th. So till 11, 12 you don't have any teachers?
Only 3 teachers is there for 11 and 12. No other teacher. History teachers it came yesterday, day before yesterday. No, just 2 months.
Only 2 months ago.
Yeah.
राहुल स्कूल का लिखो स्कूल में 11वीं 12वीं स्कूल क्लास में टीचर कमी है क्लास 10 तक तो ठीक है क्लास 2 क्लास 10 इट्स ऑल राइट योर टीचर्स आर कमिंग 11 12
Yeah, no teacher.
and other teachers coming regularly
Yeah.
what is your school's name
Ambassa English Medium Model School.
and till what class have you studied young man
Now I'm studying at class 11.
class 11 you look very grown up or muchi is out eh?
But my age still less. Age.
How old are you?
Now 17.
You look nice and strong.
Nowadays everybody are like this.
You are like eating well.
Yeah.
Huh? You have. This is very good. You have to give me information. If I don't get information, I can't work. So I go. I do sudden inspection. Then only I can catch them. I know. अच्छा पढ़ा यार. बहुत अच्छा. Mother looks young.
সিন দেখলে ওই সিন কাল দেখলে বুঝলি খাটের উপরে উঠতে আছে না খাটের উপরে উঠতে
Next meeting, when I have my next meeting,
Sure,
I'll give you information.